In the last video,
stuck inside the swing arm.
and now for the exciting conclusion.
Hi guys, it's me, Big Pezzo, back on the daily vlog, daily grind. Got my mate here, Crazy Mook. I put you know who he is. If you don't, link in the description. We're going to be doing. We're getting some lunch right now. This morning I had some toast. Toast was really nice. Just plain toast really. And then yeah, I went on a little bike ride now, and now I'm in a car. And yeah.
Why are we still here?
Just put the bolt back in. Just put the bolt back in. So it's another daily vlog, and we forgot to do one thing.
My face wasn't even in.
Yeah, it was. That chain was meant to be fed through the swing arm before putting the swing arm back on the bike, so I'm gonna have to undo the chain, then I can feed it back through the swing arm. Luckily, this one is split link and not riveted.
It's good because you take the chain off, it's less unsprung weight.
Shut up. Yes, okay, fine, that's done. Yes, I hope you enjoyed the bike build video. Anyway, that is it, really. Why do we replace the swing arm? Why don't you just drill it out? Don't think I tried. Don't think I didn't try. We did try. Look, that is an extractor kit. Tried drilling that hole for I don't know how long, gave up, cried. The bike shop came, they picked it up. The professionals had a look at it. They couldn't do it. So then they took it down to the bike shop. They gave up. Brought the bike back, didn't charge me a lot, a bag of Subway cookies, that's what it cost. So fair on them for letting me off that one, thanks, P&H. And yeah, I had to replace the swing arm. They did quote me 900 quid for eBay, 80 quid, new swing arm, not new, but a lot better condition than my swing arm. And yeah, fit it myself with some help. Let's have a little quick run over the bike. Painted wheels, metallic red dice cap, painted gold, new swing arm, wheel gold again, a few scratches where I've slipped on the thing, lever, crash bars, and screen, and a rack, and a new front fender. That's it, the bike's all done, it's ready to go. Can't wait to get on some trails now. I've got some more trip videos that are on the way. Hopefully we'll be posting one shortly. I hope. We're getting there. It's very close to being done. And yeah, that bike is now, I've spent way more money on that bike than I care to admit. Like, it's getting up there. And the parts I've replaced, the list is really long now. 23,000 miles. It's had a hard life, I'm not gonna lie. It's still there for now. So yeah, I've been riding around all week, and it hasn't collapsed or anything like that yet. But anyway, if you like the video, drop it a like. I'll catch you in the next video, and I'll get some trip videos out soon. Ciao.